Familiarize yourself with the 2011 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.